You are 35. Your investment account says $1 million. Your best friend earns more than you. He has a bigger house, a newer car, a luxury watch, but only $6,800 invested. The difference is not your salary. The difference is not your IQ. Every time you got paid, you bought another tiny piece of your future. This is your life at every investment level. You are 22. First job, first apartment, first paycheck. It disappears in 3 days. Rent, groceries, gas. Your account is almost empty again. One Friday night, your coworkers invite you out. Dinner, drinks. Another expensive weekend. You're young. Live a little. Instead, you open an investing app. You invest your first $100. Nothing changes. You don't feel richer. Nobody congratulates you. Nobody even knows. But something invisible has begun. Your investment level, $100. It feels insignificant. It isn't. You are 23. Investment account, $1,200. Every month you invest another $100. Sometimes $150. Sometimes only $40. You stop trying to be perfect. You focus on being consistent. Your coworkers buy new phones, designer shoes, weekend trips. You buy index funds. They laugh. Imagine investing $100. You laugh too, but you keep investing. Your investment level, $1,000. You no longer own only your paycheck. You own tiny pieces of businesses around the world. You are 25. Investment account, $10,000. This is the first number that feels real. One morning, the market falls 12%. You lose over $1,000. You stare at your phone. You think about selling everything. Then you remember why you started. You buy more. For the first time, fear becomes opportunity. Most people quit here. You don't. You are 27. Investment account, $50,000. Compound growth finally becomes visible. Some months, your investments earn more than you saved. It feels impossible. You realize money can work while you sleep. Nobody notices. Your apartment is still small. Your car is still old. Your clothes haven't changed. But your future has. You are 29. Investment account, $100,000. The number you've dreamed about. Surprisingly, you don't feel different. You still go to work. You still make coffee at home. You still compare prices. One afternoon, your portfolio grows by $900 in a single day. You didn't lift a finger. That's when you understand. Money has started helping you. You are 31. Investment account, $250,000. Your boss offers overtime. For the first time, you say no. Not because you don't need money, because your time is becoming more valuable. You spend weekends with family. You exercise. You sleep better. Freedom arrives one decision at a time. You are 33. Investment account, $500,000. Your investments now move thousands every week. Some weeks up, some weeks down. You stop checking every day. You finally trust the process. Your biggest asset is no longer your salary. It is your patience. You are 35. Investment account, $1 million. People think this is where you became wealthy. They are wrong. You became wealthy the day investing became a habit. Instead of a decision, your friend Alex visits. He still earns more than you. He still drives a luxury SUV. How did you get so lucky? You smile. You think about the first $100. The market crashes. The nights you wanted to quit. The vacations you skipped, the years nobody noticed. Luck had nothing to do with it. Every investment level changed my money. But the first one changed me. Becoming rich isn't one big decision. It's thousands of tiny decisions. Made when nobody is watching. Maybe you're at $100. Maybe $10,000. Maybe still at $0. Don't compare your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20. Every millionaire investor once invested only $100. You think $1 million changes everything. It doesn't. It gives you options. That feeling is worth more than the money. 2 weeks later, your company announces layoffs. Fear spreads. Your manager calls your name. The meeting lasts 6 minutes. Your position is eliminated. You shake his hand and walk out calmly. Your investments bought you time. Time to think. Time to choose. Time to breathe. Alex calls. Are you okay? I'll be fine. How can you be so calm? I've been preparing for this for over a decade. 3 months pass. You receive 2 job offers. One pays more. The other gives you more freedom. 10 years ago, you would have chased the bigger salary. Today, you choose the better life. Investment levels don't just increase your wealth. They increase your standards. You stop asking, how much does it pay? You start asking, how much of my life does it cost? One Saturday afternoon, you meet Alex for coffee. He arrives in a brand new luxury SUV. He smiles proudly, then sighs. The monthly payment is making him anxious. I always thought you'd be the one struggling, because you never looked rich. The goal was never to look rich. The goal was to become impossible to control. Alex finally understands. Investing wasn't buying stocks. It was buying freedom. Freedom compounds. Just like money. You are 36. Investment account, $1.4 million. Something strange happens. Your life looks almost exactly the same. You still make coffee. Compare grocery prices. Drive a reliable car. The expensive things never interested you. The freedom always did. Your mother calls. Your father wants to retire. But he's worried about money. You drive to their house. Your father looks older. Older than you remember. But he doesn't think he has a choice. You sit quietly. Then you ask, if money wasn't a problem, would you retire tomorrow? Yes. You reach into your bag. You slide a folder across the table. Inside is a simple plan, enough to replace the income he needs. His eyes fill with tears. When did you become able to do this? One investment at a time. A month later, your father retires. Not because he became rich, because you quietly did. Wealth isn't measured by what you can buy. It's measured by the burdens you remove. One evening, Alex comes over. I got promoted. It came with longer hours. More stress. I still feel behind. Behind who? Alex doesn't answer. Most people aren't chasing wealth. They're chasing someone else's life. You spent years investing your money. Now, you invest your time. Read more. Exercise. Sleep better. Eat dinner with family. Money stops being the reward. Time becomes the reward. From $100 to $1 million. None changed your life overnight. They changed your habits. Your habits changed your future. Your future changed your freedom. Maybe you're watching this with nothing invested. Maybe you've already started. Don't wait until your account looks impressive. The most important investment level is the one where you decide, I'm building a life my future self will thank me for. One day, you'll see a number that once felt impossible. The biggest return was never the money. It was the person you became while earning it. Please, subscribe.